Hello friends, welcome to Gourmet School of Culinary Art by Chef Henry, and I hope you have enjoyed the cooking episodes we shared on our channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to prepare pumpkin soup, and I hope you will love it. Let's get started. The mise en place is very important in the cooking. Let's start preparing some vegetables and other ingredients that we will need in our dish. So after removing seeds, we are going to roast those pumpkins. So then I'm going to use 3 medium carrots, and I don't like peeling carrot in my soup because there are some essential nutrients from the carrot peel. So I wash it, I cut into big dices. Carrots. Because I just wanted to use fresh garlics, because fresh garlic has good flavor in the soup. Then we are going to grate those ginger. Then after we will get ginger juice. So, and then we are going to squeeze until we get like 3 tablespoons of ginger juice. We are going to transfer the pumpkins on tray. We put salt. Pumpkin is not peeled. Now it's well seasoned with salt. I'm going to put it in the oven. The mise en place is ready, and now we have chopped red onions, carrots, and leeks, white part of leeks, and tomato, minced the garlic. We have chopped the garlic, and we have also used green pepper. And here we have ginger juice, and we also have fresh cream for garnishing. And we are also going to use vegetable oil. A vegetable stock, because I don't want to use beef or chicken stock, but if you do have chicken, you can use chicken stock or beef stock. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of margarine, add onion and carrots. vegetables like green pepper leaves and even carrots and tomato. We gotta put chopped tomatoes, but we didn't use the seeds, but we have used the peels, only tomato peels. And then we cook until soft, until tender, for like 2 or 1 or for 2-3 minutes. Add ginger juice, and then we are going to add vegetable stock just to cover the I'm going to add the stock just to cover the stalks, because we can't put the stalks like until this point. That will be too much. The soup will be too light, and we want this soup to be too thick. Yeah. Then we are going to cook for 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender, because we don't want to cook the vegetables until we're done. So then we are going to skim just to remove some impurities. So then the soup has been simmering for 15 minutes. Then we are going to drain, and as you can see, we have poured a vegetable stock just to cover vegetables, because again, you can't fill up the water until this point, because your soup will be too light, and there is no way to remove some water when your soup is too light. But now, even if the water is not enough, you can add more water. It's okay. You can add more stock, or if you don't have stock, you can add more water. So now let's pour the soup into the blender so that we can blend it. Make sure you put it carefully so that it may not cause accident, and do not overfill the jug. So the soup is simmering. We season with white pepper and salt to taste, and then we mix for 1 minute, and then we remove from the stove, and then we dress our soup and serve. So as you can see, our soup is very thick and it has a good and nice consistency. But if you like soup which is light, you can add more stock. Then I'm going to garnish the soup with cream. Très bien. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. And as you can see, our pumpkin soup is ready to serve. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner. À la fois prochaine.